So this is not surprising. I mean, if you followed any updates or any leaks so far about the foldable iPhone coming out, other than the fact that Samsung is going to be making its display, which is, again, not surprising as Samsung makes 99%, it feels like, of all flexible foldable displays at this point. That, by the way, is a complete exaggeration. They make a majority, not 99%. They make majority of them. But the price tag is $2,100 to $2,500, somewhere in that price tag range. Now, obviously, with tariffs, that could be more money depending on how that situation kind of cakes out. So it could even be more than $2,100 to $2,500. We could talk about $2,600 to $3,000. But right now, the rumor is $2,100 to $2,500, and that's kind of the going rumor for most sources that are leaking or talking about this. It's kind of like that is the set amount. And I feel like whenever, for example, whenever the Pixel Fold was going to come out, there was rumors of what it would cost. Sometimes with crazy, insane price tags. Some of them were very cheap. And then you kind of got that consistent, same old, okay, $1,700, $1,800, $1,700, $1,800. And eventually comes out, what do you know, it's $1,800. So this is kind of where we're going to probably see the price tag here is $2,100 and $2,500. This would make one of Apple's most expensive devices. Wait, what? That would make it one of Apple's most expensive devices. One of the most expensive phone devices. Because they have MacBooks that cost way more than that. I mean, a fully maxed out MacBook would be $3,500. No, wait, fully maxed out MacBook with the M4 Pro Max chip, 128 gigabytes of RAM, and there are different, other options. I believe it's $5,500. So, and then you also have their Mac Studios. They have a lot of products that are over $2,000. And then you have the Apple Vision Pro as well. That's $3,400. So I don't know if I agree with this would make it the most expensive. It's one of Apple's most expensive. There's a lot of products they sell. They sell wheels that cost like $500 for the Mac desktop PC, whatever it's called. I'm not an Apple fanboy. Whatever the not Mac Studio. Is it the Mac Pro? I think it's a Mac Pro. Anyway, it might lack Face ID. So that's another rumor that's been talked about, that it might have Face ID, it might not. There are some rumors that are saying it's going to have Face ID underneath the inside display. So like under the inside display camera, which would be interesting because then you would have to open the phone up in order to use Face ID. And you couldn't use Face ID when it's closed, which is interesting. Yeah, I mean, again, like I said, there's a lot of rumors that I'm going to take with a grain of salt. Price tag wise, this is a consistent rumor. That's what I'll say about this. But tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one.